Okay, for this case, we are to plot the standard form. So the equation is in the form of ax plus by equals to c. Graph the equation x minus y equals to 2 by using the x and y intercept. So recalling the x and y intercept, when we say x and y intercept, the ordered pair for the x-intercept is x0 and your y-intercept is 0 and y. So let's have here x-intercept. Sorry for that. So we have x0 and 0 and y for your x and y intercept. Now step 1. Find the x-intercept of the equation. Give or note at least 2 points to determine a line. So you can use 2 points. You can use only 2 points in determining a line. But you can never use 1 point to determine a line. Why? Because you cannot connect a line using only 1 point. So at least you have 2 points or more. Now, let's have x minus y equals to 2. Now first, let's have for the x-intercept. Again, x-intercept is x0 where your y is equals to 0. So we will now substitute the value of your 0 in order for us to solve for the value of y. So again, substitute the value of x and y to your equation. Since your y is 0, so we have here x minus y equals to 2. So x minus 0, open close parentheses, 2. So x negative multiplied by 0, that is 0. So the remaining will be x is equals to 2. Now you have now the value of your x using the value of your y, which is equal to 0. Next, using the y-intercept, where your x here is equal to 0. So x minus y is equals to 2. Substitute the value of your x here to 0. 0 minus y is equals to 2. So the remaining number will be negative y is equals to 2. Remember class that if your variable becomes negative, you make this one into positive. So we have two ways. You can divide both sides by negative 1, negative 1. Why negative 1? Because your numerical coefficient here is 1 or negative 1. So divide both sides by negative, you will now have a positive y. So this case, you can use positive y to determine a variable or number rather. Then divide 2 by negative 1, so you have negative 2. So this case, you already have the value of your y. After first solving for your x and y intercept, we will organize the solution in a table so that you can easily plot these 2 points. If your x is 0 here, let's go first here. Your x, if your y is 0, so your x is 2. Now, remember in writing or ordered pair, x comes first, so 2 and 0. So this is now your x-intercept, where your y is equals to 0. Now, if your x is 0, what will be the value of your y? That is negative 2. So we have 0 and negative 2 for your y-intercept. So we already have 2 points. So we can plot these 2 points in our plane. So plot the 2 points in the rectangular coordinate system. So first we have positive 2 and 0. Negative 2 rather. Then second is this one. So draw the line to the 3 points, or 2 points rather, since we are using 2 points only, and extend that and put an arrow on the both sides of the line. So there you are. You have now the graph of your x minus y equals to 2.